As someone who has traveled across different continents, one thing I've discovered is that beauty comes in many forms. Some countries are known for elegance, others for fashion, confidence, charm, or culture. And today, we're exploring the countries travelers around the world say are home to some of the most beautiful women on earth. This is Next Stop Travel TV. Hit the subscribe button. Let's go. Starting in Africa, South Africa is known for its incredible diversity, fashion culture, and naturally striking beauty. Cities like Cape Town and Johannesburg are filled with confident women, vibrant energy, and modern African elegance. Thailand combines grace, warmth, and beauty with one of the most welcoming cultures in the world. From Bangkok nightlife to tropical islands, beauty here feels effortless. Where East meets West, Turkey offers a unique blend of cultures and stunning beauty. Istanbul especially is famous for fashionable women, elegance, and timeless charm. India's beauty is impossible to define with one look, from Bollywood glamour to traditional elegance. Indian women are admired worldwide for their style, confidence, and cultural richness. South Korea has transformed global beauty and fashion culture. Seoul is now one of the world's biggest beauty capitals, known for style, skincare, and modern elegance. Sweden is famous for Scandinavian beauty, natural looks, confidence, and effortless style. Minimalism and elegance define the Swedish lifestyle. Italy is where fashion meets romance. Italian women are admired for confidence, elegance, and timeless beauty that turns ordinary streets into runway shows. Colombia has become one of the most talked about countries for beauty in the world. From Medellin to Cartagena, travelers are amazed by the energy, confidence, and vibrant lifestyle. Brazil is world famous for beauty, confidence, and vibrant culture. Rio de Janeiro combines beaches, fashion, dance, and energy unlike anywhere else on earth. And taking the #1 spot, Venezuela, known globally for producing beauty queens and international models. Venezuela has built a worldwide reputation for glamour, elegance, and unforgettable beauty. Every country has its own unique definition of beauty, and that's what makes travel so fascinating. Whether it's elegance, confidence, culture, or personality, the world is filled with incredible people and unforgettable experiences. So tell me, which country surprised you the most? Leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing travel documentaries from around the world.